really taking gold game film on the road today. New York Stock Exchange with Frank Holmes. Congratulations on the launch of your ETF, Frank.
Well, thank you. Go Jets, go. And that's not the football team.
Now, what's interesting is we're always talking to you about gold, but this ETF is aviation focused. What made you get into this?
There's no one in this space. I fly 100 times a year, and I saw what the costs were doing, and before even oil fell, they were on a rise, a dramatic rise. So there's a big change in airlines around the world. They're so cheap compared to trains and trucks.
Now, Frank, the last time we saw an aviation ETF was 2 years ago. It was grounded. What makes you confident yours will take flight? No pun intended.
They were just unlucky when they shut it down. It was probably the best time ever to open up an ETF for the jet industry.
Now, Frank, who is this ETF geared to? What kind of investor?
It's for both retail and institutional investors. Hedge funds that want to go long 3 stocks and something to short to lower their risk, and vice versa, someone who wants to go short stocks but want to lower their beta, they call it. And so they'll buy this ETF. And then there's the retail investor, and Barron's on the weekend commented that the airlines industry is so inexpensive on a PE and cash flow multiple. So these are key factors, so they'll be retail to institutional.
But Frank, airlines just don't make up the ETFs. You can also own the airports, correct?
Correct, and when you go outside of North America, you see that there's a lot of public airports. And Macquarie's airport was up 60% last year.
What happens if oil takes a turn and starts rising again? Does that concern you?
No, because these stocks were on a tear before oil started to fall. It was a windfall. What they're doing is they're hedging, and they're rebalancing their hedge book every month. So lower oil prices, they're just locking in more cash flow.
Frank, well, this is still gold game film, so let's talk gold now. And gold is up this Monday, so I guess we're bringing some luck to gold today. Let's talk about what the action in the gold market.
Well, the whole action has to do a lot with yields and worry of inflation coming back, CPI numbers rising, and so you're seeing more gold traders coming into the gold space.
All right, Frank, finally, the touchdown pass, what's it going to be?
Just follow those PMI numbers. That's what's key.
All right, Frank, best of luck, and congratulations again.
Thank you.
And thanks for watching Gold Game Film here from the New York Stock Exchange. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.